Hello fellow chartists, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Chartist, and we finally got that relief rally that I've been telling you guys about. Okay, it's now a reality. I was thinking of that word in my head and it just mixed up with rally. We got the relief rally. It is now reality. That's what I meant to say. Sorry about that. But guys, was I right or was I right? It took some time. I told you guys yesterday it took some time, but we got it, okay? So I hope you guys made some profit. If you guys listen to me, I hope you ended your week with some green, all right? Because that's what it's all about. It's not about being right. It's not about being wrong. It's about making that profit. And we definitely made profits in the Discord today, all right? Of course, I'm going to show you guys my Discord because I love my Discord members. And I love what we do here. It's so great. So the plan today, as I write right there, plan today was 467 and of course 468.5 are in play as long as 463 hold. So and I told you guys yesterday, as long as 463 hold, it keeps the relief rally in play. So my question to you guys is, did 463 hold? Yes, it did. It held. And it hit my price target of 467 and some. Okay? My next price target for now is 468.5, assuming 467 hold. Alright? And we're a little above and closed above 467. So I underpromised and over delivered. Okay? So if you guys made some money, I hope you guys did. Give me a like if you did. Comment below. Tell me some good news, guys. It's been a rough week. But we should have made some money. So I like to hear some good news that'll make me happy. And it'll definitely inspire me to keep making these videos, knowing that I'm able to help y'all, my viewers, my subscribers. Okay, and if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing because we've been making good amount of money. Good amount of money. Okay, guys? So, one thing I want to get out the way is we need to talk about this seasonality. All right? Before I get into the price action, I want to talk about the seasonality first. It's been kind of scary and eerie how much this year in 2021, how much this seasonality has been pretty spot on with the SPY's price action. We got that top in September. Okay? Got the top in September right here. That's the top. Okay? And we got the big drop, followed by a relief rally to the upside in the beginning of October. Did we get that? There's the big drop, then a relief rally. Didn't quite get into October though. Okay, so that's something you guys got to consider. The seasonality and of course the SPY isn't 100%. Okay, seasonality only helps give us an idea of what the price action may do. It's based on average for the last 20 years. Keywords. On average, okay? So it's not going to be 100% to the T, not 100% accurate, but it gives us a general idea of where the price is going to go on average. So got that up move, followed by an even lower move right here in early October. Is that what happened? Kind of, right? And from there, that's when we got the surge to the upside into early November. Did we get that? Yes, we did. Very strong bullish move, and that's when we got to the got a little bit of a top right here. Okay, now we're getting some correction going on. All right, so we should be around here right now, possibly around here. This is where the relief rally. So it's gonna get choppy, as you can see. It's gonna get choppy, a little down, up and down move, and then we get that big drop that a lot of bears are looking for. Okay. Now, it shouldn't get down as low as the September high, okay? September high is all the way over here around 454, okay? But I think we'll come down to maybe 456. 20-day moving average at 459, so we'll probably get some support there. But we might break the 20-day moving average because I have a price target of 456. So bears, if the seasonality is still tracking, it's on your side this coming up week, okay? So I'm thinking the Santa Claus rally should happen around the 21st to the 23rd, and that's going to be a big move. Buying opportunity coming up real soon, maybe next week, okay? So if you bought puts, don't panic. Seasonality is on your side and it's based on the last 20 years of data. Okay, it's not my opinion, it's based on the data. However, if we can see how well the seasonality is tracking, okay, because I got to tell you the bad news a little bit. If we can see how well it's tracking, you know those manipulative market makers at Wall Street can see it as well. And if they see how well it's tracking and a lot of retail traders are making money, they can fake us out anytime. Okay, that's why I always say let the price action guide you. The reason why I'm even covering this seasonality is because so far it's working and it's been tracking. Not 100%, but it's been pretty successful in how well it's tracking the SPY. I will stop talking about seasonality when it stops tracking. Okay, and I'm going to update you guys. I'm going to update my Discord members. I'm going to let y'all know. But as of right now, it's still working. And because it's still working, I'm going to continue to use it. So we can expect some type of lower high coming next week. Okay, we got this flag, this bull flag pattern. It could come up and test it. It's at 468.8 right now. And that's possibly where we can get a rejection. This is possibly, if we're going to get a lower high, this is possibly where we can get the lower high around 468. A little higher, around 0.6, 0.7, okay? And mind you, we could get a fake breakout. Okay, watch out for the fake breakout. And if we do get the fake breakout or the false breakout, that's very bearish. Okay? I love trading fake breakouts. Because, you know, they're going to send in the breakout traders. Oh, yeah, we're going up to the moon. And then they fake them out. And they're telling me, ooh, time to get bearish. Just like with VIX. Had a false breakout right here. Trying to get us to think VIX is bullish. And that the relief rally wasn't coming. And then I told you guys yesterday, that's a false breakout. All right? That was a good sign that the relief rally is coming. You don't have to agree with me. Somebody said they disagree with me. I'm not trying to make fun of nobody. But I'm just reporting the price action in the chart. These are not my opinion. These are not based on my feelings. It's based on facts. Okay, I'm just reporting what the charts are showing me. I'm not trying to disrespect anybody. I'm just saying, somebody told me they disagree that this is a false breakout. Clearly, this is a false breakout, and you can disagree with me, but it still doesn't change the fact that it was a false breakout. False breakouts are very bearish, and as you can see, I was right. And I hope you guys trusted me enough so that you could have made some good money today. I also told you guys that Friday could get choppy from the morning, middle of the day, but that power hour, we can get that boost, and that's exactly what happened. That is exactly what happened. Did it break the mother candle's high? I also told you guys about the inside day candle, remember? Did it break the mother candle's high? It broke a little bit, but it closed back below it. Now remember, this was the mother candle's low when we did another. This was the first inside day candle I was telling you about, and it broke it, but it went back up. It closed back up, and then the next day it gapped down. So if we get a gap up on Monday, I would be bullish to this resistance level. That's not a big move. That's a pretty small move. Okay. So if you're gonna try to short this market, I was short here around 468.7, around that range. Beware of the breakout, but also beware of a false breakout. If we get the breakout and it actually closes, I would say 469. If SPY can clear 469 and we're gonna close at 469 or above, and you're trying to be bearish, I would change my sentiment to bullish, okay? Because then it'll be a good breakout to the upside to our next price target of 472, or maybe a little higher, okay? But if SPY fails to clear 469, we get a rejection around this area, I will look to short, guys, and we could go down lower, all right? And it'll align with the seasonality of that nice move to the downside. Okay, guys? So, we got the close above the 5-day moving average. But remember, one close is not enough, okay? We want to see multiple closes above the 5-day moving average. But as of right now, this is a pretty bullish close, and we could see more upside, okay? Now, I'll be very bullish, or much more confidently bullish, if we break this bull flag and we actually get a couple closes above it. If not, we can get that move to the downside, okay? It's possible that we get this A right here. This was B, and it could touch that resistance level, and then we get a C move, all right? And then around this C move, which could go down to 456. That's my price target. That's a buying opportunity, okay, guys? And then we can get that big surge in December, according to seasonality. But like I said earlier, that's a pretty big move. But like I said earlier, don't put too much weight, or don't put all the weight of your decision making into the seasonality. Okay, guys? Price action is king. All right? So, had a 467 price target. Right here, I always post it. This morning I posted at 8:43 a.m. I called the moves before the moves happen. Most people talking about the move after the move happened and they catch FOMO. I call the move before they happen, guys. And you know, if you've been subscribed to me for some time, you know I do that. And it makes me very happy every time you guys told me you made some money. Because that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to teach you guys. First of all, this is my passion, and number one thing is to teach others how they can make money the way I'm making money as a price action trader. So when I hear that people are making money, it's not that you guys are making money. It tells me that you guys are learning and you're getting it. And that makes me very happy. Okay? So with that being said, let's take a look at the VIX. So we got that false breakout. Now VIX is getting crushed. And look where it closed. So the 20-day moving average is at 1630. VIX closed at 1628. Okay, that's very bearish, and if it stays below that 20-day moving average, it can come down even lower and test the blue line again at 1486. Okay, that's a nice big move to the downside, and if that's the case, that just proves that the SPY has more upside. Okay, but if you see VIX trading back above the 20-day moving average, remember it's at 1630, so you see the VIX above 1630, this could be potentially just a higher low before we go to a higher high, which could test the 20.98. And if that's the case, it'll align with the seasonality and push the SPY down. All right? So I'm thinking if we're going based on seasonality, I lost it. But if we go based on seasonality, we should see the bullish price action or the bullish momentum come around November 21st to the 23rd. So around those dates, remember I said it, November 21st to 23rd. That could be when the bullish price actions start beginning and give us that Santa Claus rally that everybody's talking about, all right? But if it doesn't align with the seasonality, that's okay, because our number one indicator is price action, all right? So remember, if SPY clears this resistance level and closes above 469, okay, especially if we get two closes, we're going to have a price target up here at 473, maybe even higher, guys, okay? The Santa Claus rally could start early. Remember, if more retail traders are starting to notice the seasonality and it's starting to work, market makers will notice that too, and they will use that information to fake us out. All right? But right now, even though we got this bullish close, we still got this resistance to deal with. All right? So if you're going to short, that's where you want to short. Okay? Other than that, let the price action guide you. Don't try to fight it. Don't try to tell the market what to do. Let the market tell you what to do. Follow the smart money. Okay, remember, the smart money, those market makers, we should call them market manipulators, are the one with enough liquidity to move this market. Not you, not me, not us retail traders. They're the ones moving the market. They can move it up, they can move it down as they please. They don't care how we feel or what we think. Remember that. Okay, guys? So, I hope you guys made some money. I told you guys we're going to get that relief rally. And we got that relief rally. And it's looking like there's more upside. Okay? Now, here's another thing for a bearish scenario. See this purple line right here? Let me move the moving averages. This purple line has served as a very important level. Okay? Started here. Got a bunch of bounces. False breakdown. Okay? Touches here. Down. This is where we got the breakdown in September. Okay? Once we got that breakout again, that's when it went even higher to my next price of 470. And look at that bounce. Okay, so this purple line has served as important levels for us. Okay? If you see the SPY breaking that level, I would get bearish. So that will be below 464. So if you see SPY getting back below 464, change your sentiment. If you're bullish, change your sentiment to bearish, because it could go lower to my next price target of 456. And it will align with seasonality. Okay, guys? So, how y'all feeling? Comment below. Tell me how you feeling. Hope you're feeling good. All right. So, anyways, bottom line, let the price action guide you. I think we'll get a little more upside and test this resistant level. All right, 468.5 is my next price target if as long as 467 holds. Okay, if we lose 467 and it comes back to test below 464 to 463, get bearish. That's a bad sign for the bulls, but a very good sign for the bears. Okay, guys, hope this helped. Gonna move on to triple Q. Triple Q, same thing. Price action is moving very similar to the SPY. Got the close above the 5-day moving average. It bounced off the 13-day many times. All right, I think it has a little more upside. It could test 397. If it breaks above 397, it closes around 398 or above. That's very bullish. And we could go even higher. Test my next price target of 407. Okay, that's if we get that breakout. But if we test it and get a rejection, we can go down lower to 385, maybe down to 382. Okay, that will be buying opportunities, guys. Okay, RK. Now I told you guys yesterday, this could be a potential shoulder. All right. Also, there was an inside day candle, but check this out: the 50-day moving average, it closed below the 50 twice. But look what happened today. It recaptured it and got back above this right here. Now I told you guys you can trade the inside day candle, or you can wait till it breaks the neckline of this potential inverted cup head and shoulder pattern and wait till it gets back above all the moving average. You could trade it like that. Many ways you can trade. But the way it's looking to me, the way these two red candles trading below the 50 and then they're getting back and closing above the 50, that looks like a false breakdown. So like a false breakout is very bearish. A false breakdown is pretty bullish. All right. So that's what I want to point out. I like to see RK break the 5-day moving average. The 5-day moving average at 119.27. Okay, play it level by level. If it gets rejected there, that's very bearish. Probably see more downside. Okay, at that level. Strong bear market. Get a lot of rejections from the 5-day. 5-day moving average. The power of the 5-day moving. I'm going to be talking about that in my technical analysis video in the near future. Could be tomorrow. All right. But if we see RK train above all the moving averages again, it's a very good sign that this inverted cup and hand, head and shoulder pattern is legit. And we could go test my next price target of 126, 132, and we also have a gap fill at 142. There's the gap fill, 140 to 143. Okay, so we could get up there to fill the gap finally. It's been a while. All right, guys. Now let's go to Bitcoin. A lot of people bearish on Bitcoin right now. And a lot of people are talking crap about Bitcoin. But it's okay. Look at this. Look at where the buying pressure came in. It came right at that breakout level. This blue line right here. And also, unlike this one that tested the blue line, only for it to chop and then go lower, this one not only tested the blue line, the blue breakout level line, it also tested the 20-day moving average and bounced from there. That's bullish price action, guys. So, despite these red days and the choppiness, the price action for Bitcoin is still bullish. Okay, guys? So let the price action guide you. Don't worry about the price. Because if you worry about the price go up, you're going to be happy. The price go down, you're going to be sad. You're mostly going to get whipsawed. You're mostly going to go up and down with the price. Don't worry about the price. Worry about the price action. Okay? Price action is still bullish. Why is it bullish? Because it bounced off the breakout level. Okay, guys, so my 71K price target for Bitcoin is still in play. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. I really do hope you guys had a profitable day. I did. A lot of my members did. The ones that listen to me, by the way. Yeah, good luck for next week and have a great and safe weekend. See you soon.